So to prepare raw fish curry, we require 1 kg of raw fish. So let's see what are the ingredients required to grind the masala. So first we require 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 10 garlic flakes, 8 short red chilies, 18 Kashmiri red chili. Now add 2 cloves and 1 piece of cinnamon. Now add 2 slit tomatoes. Now add 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Now add 1 lemon sized tamarind. Now add half teaspoon of dry roasted methi seeds. Now add half teaspoon of dry roasted fennel seeds. Now all these ingredients goes into the blender. So first let's add the coconut oil. Now when the oil starts bubbling up, add pinch of mustard seeds. Add the curry leaves. And now add 1 inch finely chopped ginger. And now here goes 1 finely sliced onion. And now give a quick shot of mix. And now when the onions turn brown, add the finely grounded masala. Now once you are done giving quick shot to the masala, add little water. As you can see here folks, the gravy should reach to this consistency. And just a quick note, here we haven't added the salt because while grinding the masala we have added the enough salt, so that's more than sufficient. And now let the gravy come to boil and then we'll add the fish. So now let's open the lid and let's check it out. Oh boy, look at this, the gravy has come to boil and it looks so delicious. And now let's give a quick stir and let's check the salt. Is the salt perfect, Mama?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Now add vinegar, 1 spoon.
Okay, now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And now?
It goes the fish.
Okay, now let's add the raw fish one by one, nice and slowly. Here, as always, we are going to give few shakes like 1 or twice. We are not going to use the spoon. It's just because if we use the spoon, as soon as we added the fish into the curry, the fish will break apart. So this is just a small trick that we follow to keep the fish intact in the curry. So folks, the oil has oozed out from the curry and the raw fish curry looks absolutely delicious, and this is something mind-blowing folks. Mama, would you like to show them the fish?
Yes, yes.
So yeah, can you take the fish out of the curry?
It's so yummy.
Wow, check it out folks. The fish is intact, it has not broken apart, and wow. So now folks, the fish curry is done and Mama is going to have fish curry with boiled rice, and she is going to give us the review about the raw fish curry. Yeah Mama, can you grab a bite of the fish and tell us how it has come out?
See, fish is correctly cooked, perfectly cooked.
Yes, I can see that. It's fire, Mama.
Yeah.
So
So tangy, so yummy gravy.
I can see that the way you eat. So how it goes with the rice?
Very nice.
Okay.
So tasty, so yummy.
So I can see here more than rice you have taken the fish.
Yeah. This is red curry, no? I like it.
Okay, I know you love fish curry a lot. And can you grab one more bite? Can you mix up fish with the rice and can you have it? Wow, look at this, folks. It looks so satisfying, right?